how to factory reset old iPad in 2 ways. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open your iPad and go to the settings on your iPad and tap General and Reset. Click on Erase All Content and Settings for factory restoring. You can choose Backup, then Erase or Erase Now, and click on Erase Device and then confirm by clicking Erase. The screen will be white with an Apple logo and process bar. This is when your iPad begins to reset. The iPad will restart as soon as all the data get cleaned. Now, the second way is simply use Lock Wiper. Lock Wiper will help you factory reset iPad in 5 minutes even if you don't know the iCloud Apple ID and screen lock password. All you have to do is launch Lock Wiper and tap Unlock Apple ID. Then connect your iPad and trust the connection. Then click the Start to Unlock button. And Lock Wiper will start removing your iCloud account and factory reset your iPad. It will take a few seconds. After the process, all the content on your iPad will be removed and you don't need any iCloud or screen password to use the simple method that helps you factory reset your iPad in 5 minutes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.